Hey everybody.
Just checking my texts. Not paying attention.
Hey everyone, it's MK.
And Ellen.
Welcome back to MK Quilts. So we're going to do a quick sound check and then we're going to keep this brief. Today we have an invitation for you. Okay. All right. Well, it's been a minute or two since I've taught a class, Ellen.
You know, it has. I was thinking that, and like, I'm taking a break, and it's
my
MK's
turn. So for those of you who've been watching for a while, you know that a few months ago, Ellen and I started this ruler roundup thing. And
Yes.
I think we've only done 2 of them, but we do intend to get back
We're
to
going
that.
to record this Friday, actually,
Yes.
the next one.
Yes, so in the midst of me preparing for Ruler Roundup, I found a ruler that I've had in my collection a very long time, and a pattern that I've had forever and a day. I mean,
It's wrinkly.
it's old and wrinkly, and it is the quilt behind me. So hold that thought. We're going to start with something a little bit simpler. So some of you might have this ruler or a combination thereof. It's called X blocks, and it basically is just a ruler with an angle put on it that helps you to do these cuts at specific angles. Okay, now the one behind me uses actually we'll get to that later, but the one behind me uses a slightly larger ruler. What we're going to start with is the basic X, and the basic X works with 2.5-inch strips. Oh, what would contain 2.5-inch strips?
Could it be jelly rolls?
It could be jelly rolls. It could be cuts that you have, just scraps out of your...
It could be leftover binding strips?
Yes. Or it even could be this fantabulous fabric that we have in the shop. It is binding fabric, but I have used it in my quilt. So we have little bundles if you want to get those. Let me show you the quilt. Ellen, help me hold it up. Yep. So this little quilt is going to be in the class that I'm having on, which day is it?
Basic.
April 23rd. And this is with the basic X block. I just grabbed some stuff from my stash, and then I used these binding fabrics. Okay, so yeah, so this is a binding fabric, which is 2.5 inches, which is a jelly roll strip, right? So that's going to be in there, and then I actually used the blue binding actually as binding. So very versatile. So this is going to be the initial class on the 23rd, which I guess is next week.
Now, what's special about this class, Melissa?
Well, you can come on into the shop and take it with me in person,
Or
for my online followers, my MKQU folks, all of those people who normally do virtual stuff with me, you can do it virtually that day, because guess who's going to be on tech?
producer.
So we decided to try it that way, just to try to fill the class. And so many times you guys reach out and say, well, is it going to be available online?
Yeah, are you going to do that at university? And we always say, no, we're doing it here. But now we've got like this awesome camera set up, very cool mics.
Yes.
We mainly know what we're doing. Mainly.
Mostly.
So we're like, hey, let's try a dual feed. We do it every year at Mystery.
At Mystery, yes, of course. So there are links that I included with this video. You can sign up for the classes, enter classes, hold that thought, or you can buy the fabric. Now these are the ones I used in my quilt, but we have a selection of other fabrics.
So describe binding fabric, right? What is binding fabric?
Well, it came out from Art Gallery Fabrics a while ago, and it's actually pre-printed binding strips. There's even like little cutting lines on here that show you where to cut it. And when you cut that out, it's a 2.5-inch strip. And the neat thing about using it as binding is when you fold it, you can decide which is up and which is down. So there's 2 options to the strip, which is great.
Very, very cool. So every binding you can then choose, which edge are you actually using?
Yeah, so we have this one and that one that Ellen was just holding up. This is a pretty one. This would look lovely in a quilt.
It has this purple.
And I like a good black. So that's...
This is geometric. We have little triangles, squares, dots.
So if you're wanting to do it virtual, you need to order some stuff now so that we can get it to you, okay?
So when you register for the register for the class, in your confirmation email will be the link to download the supply list. It's always the question, I didn't get it. Yes, you did. You did. You just didn't click on it. So in the confirmation email is a link for the supply list.
All right, so the first class is the basics, Basic X. It's based on 2.5-inch strips. If you would like to get a little bundle, this is basically 5/8 of a yard, which gives you more than enough strips to do the little project that we're going to start with. You could choose the other colors, or really you can use your own strips, but these work out really, really great. Now, I am going to drop one additional link after we cut the film here. These rulers really work best with some sort of sticky thing on the back of it so that they don't move. And I have tested about 3 or 4 different ones. I just ordered them on Amazon. I tried them out, and I have found the ones that work the best. I don't need to, you can just order them on Amazon. You get like a little sheet of them, and you can use it on this or some of your other rulers as well. Okay, it does give the ruler a little bit of height, which in what we're doing, it's actually like perfect, okay? So I will drop the link for these. You should be able to get them from Amazon rather quickly, okay?
Yep.
So the pattern that we're gonna be doing on the 23rd next week is this either or pattern. Now, Ellen, will you hold up that quilt one more time, the
Yeah.
first one?
So I have either.
And this is the or. It's the exact same pattern. It's just color placement and mirror images, okay? We'll talk about that during class, but this is absolutely the same quilt, just different colorways and different angle on the ruler, mirror images and the like, and it's super, super simple. Now, Ellen, will you hold up the quilt over there that was made from the jelly roll?
Let's get our binding fabric. Searching for the binding fabric. It's Art Gallery, and it's 2.5 edition is its little collection name.
All right, now we're not going to do this in class, but this pattern, it's called Mind Games, and it's the exact same Basic X ruler, so based on 2.5-inch strips. This was made with a jelly roll, plus I think 4 additional strips I had to cut, and then the border and sash. So if you get the ruler and stuff that you need for class next week, you might want to just pick up this pattern. It's called Mind Game, and I mean, it's just a really quick, do it in a weekend kind of a quilt. Now, I would have actually liked a little bit more contrast with the darks and the lights, but you know, we all have these jelly rolls. What are we going to do with them? Bust it open, get your darks and your lights, and maybe you have to add a couple more darks, maybe you have to add a couple more lights, but super, super easy. And that's with the Basic X, which is what we're doing next week. Okay.
Okay.
Now, on to the next class, which is, I learned, May 7th. So May 7th, we're going to be taking it just one step further, and we're going to be using a different combination of X blocks in a different size. So the quilt behind me was actually made with this ruler. Doesn't quite look like it, but they're oversized, and then you sew them together. And it's really the angle, again, on this quilt and the mirror images and color placement. Okay, so that one is called Stardust. Now, it's not what we're doing in class, but it uses the 6.5-inch and the little baby mini, which is half the size of this. So the class on the 23rd, May 7th, sorry, is going to be the flag. And then there is a runner pattern and placemats that I didn't quite get done to show you today, but I am working on that. So it's just a lovely little Americana feel. And again, this is made with that bigger 6.5-inch X block. And then around the outside is where we get the shavings from the big blocks. And then you need the little guy to make the stars. Okay, so you need 2 rulers for this quilt, but it gives you that awesome, awesome ability to mix and match, because the math on the rulers is, it's half, right there, it's like, I lost it, it's half the size. So mathematically, it like works.
All right, so we did have questions before when we first announced these classes, that you have one that's called Basic on April 23rd, and then you have X Block on the 7th. Is this a precursor? Do they need to take both?
They don't need to, but I would love for you to just kind of learn the basics, and then come again with me. But no, officially you do not. We will review some of the, how the ruler works and whatnot when we do the May 7th class. So there is your answer. I would love it if you did, but no, you don't have to. It's not required. Okay, as we wrap it up, I want to show you this quilt on the table. I'll just hold it up a little bit. This is made from oh yes, here it is. This quilt was made from one fabric. It was made from this striped fabric. So there is no piecing in here to get the strips, to get the diamonds. It's all from a stripe. So we'll talk about that again when we get to the May 7th class, because it is made with the 6.5 and the 3.5. This little border is half. Yeah, this is half the size of the big one, and it's just a stripe. I think we do have some stripes in the house. I grabbed one that I ordered up because I thought this would be really a kind of a cool one to do with the stripe.
Yeah, they're kind of mixed around, but we do have some stripes.
Yeah, it kind of makes you look at stripes a little bit different. Okay, so here's my recommendation. If you want to join me in your virtual, I would get the basic X ruler. I would get the 6.5 and the 3.5. You need the either or pattern. I would just go ahead and get the flag pattern. And if you want the little table runner and placemats, just get it all so that you have it. And then you can
And you only have to pay for shipping once.
Exactly. Get yourself some of the binding fabric. Just get a whole load of stuff. If you have questions, quickly drop them so that I can answer within a day or two so we can get this stuff out to you. I have absolutely fallen in love with this ruler. It's really simple, but it packs a big punch. I only ordered up a few of their patterns, but they have oodles and gobs of patterns. So we'll see how well this goes over. I could order some more. Okay, I think that's it. Next week, next Thursday, and then in May, and let's do some X blocks together. Okay, come and join me in class. Limited seating, of course, always here. And then if you want to do virtually, just click through the links. Make sure you click virtual if you're like.
Make sure you do that. And then again, for virtual students, we will send you out the links and everything for the actual online class.
Okay, all right, I'm looking forward to getting back into teaching. Come and join me to do X blocks. Thanks everybody. From the classroom to you, happy quilting. Bye-bye.
Bye guys.